We are so proud to present this amazing new listing at 26301 Silent Hills Lane in beautiful Los Altos Hills. Modern design, luxurious finishes, outstanding views, and vineyard grounds fit for a 5-star resort. This custom home, built in 2013 and extensively upgraded in 2022, offers all of this and so much more. Nestled on over 3.1 acres in the Los Altos Hills and offering 5 bedrooms, 6.5 bathrooms, and over 7,700 square feet of living space, including the attached guest home. From the moment you step into the stunning foyer, you will get a sense of the grandeur that surrounds you, with high-end appointments at every turn and a spectacular wall of glass with San Francisco Bay views that stretch for miles. Open, modern spaces begin with the expansive living room with a fireplace and a wall of glass showing off the incredible views. The dining room leads to the immaculate chef's kitchen with granite countertops, sleek cabinetry with soft-closed drawers, 2 islands, and high-end appliances from brands such as Wolf and Sub-Zero. A floating staircase leads downstairs to the flexible use space with a full bar and a wall of glass opening to a heated loggia for indoor-outdoor entertaining. You are going to love the primary suite, which features a private balcony overlooking the grounds, as well as a walk-in closet, heated towel rack, dual sink vanity, soaking tub, and a rainfall shower. 3 additional bedroom suites offer comfort and convenience for friends and family alike. The attached guest home offers a living room, kitchen, bedroom, and bathroom. The grounds of this home are a true California oasis, where colorful plantings abound, gorgeous palm trees sway in the breeze, and a sprawling Cabernet vineyard invokes a Napa-like feel. At the heart of the grounds lies a sparkling infinity pool, where you can relax with a drink in your hand and take in the jaw-dropping surroundings. Though you will enjoy incredible privacy, this estate is still just a 10-minute drive to the shops and restaurants of the village of Los Altos, and it is approximately 1.5 miles from Interstate 280. Children may attend top-ranked schools including Gardner Bullis Elementary, Egan Junior High, and Los Altos High. This home also sits near all of the world-famous employers of Silicon Valley, and it's within easy reach of everything that San Francisco and San Jose have to offer, both of which are less than 40 minutes away. This house truly is amazing. The style, the quality, and these incredible views. You've got to see for yourself. So please, reach out to me or your agent to arrange a personal visit. Thanks for watching.